Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana and Notion with automated two-way updates. This integration keeps your project management data synchronized across both platforms, so any changes you make in one tool automatically reflect in the other without manual copying. First, head over to the Unito website. Once you're on the platform, you'll see your dashboard where you can manage all your integrations. Look for the button that says Plus Create Flow and click it. This is where you'll start building your automated connection between Asana and Notion. You'll be prompted to start the connection process, so click Start here to begin linking your accounts. Before moving forward, make sure both your Asana and Notion accounts are already added to Unito. If they're not connected yet, you'll need to authorize them first so Unito can access and sync your data. Now you'll see two sections side by side for configuring your sync. On the left section labeled Sync Work-In, click the drop-down and select Asana. Right below that, you'll see another drop-down under with the account where you'll choose which Asana account you want to use. Next, click Project and select the specific project you want to sync from the drop-down, like Web Design Project, for example. Switch over to the right section, also labeled Sync Work-In, and select Notion from that drop-down. Just like with Asana, click the drop-down under with the account and choose your Notion account. Then click Database followed by Choose a Database to select which Notion database should receive and send updates. Once both sides are configured, click Confirm to move to the next step. Here's where the real power comes in. Choose two-way as your flow direction. This ensures that updates flow in both directions, meaning changes in Asana appear in Notion and changes in Notion appear in Asana automatically. If you want to be selective about what syncs, you can set rules to filter tasks or database items. For instance, you might only want to sync high-priority tasks or items in a specific section. This keeps your sync focused and prevents clutter. Next, you'll need to map the fields between Asana and Notion. This tells Unito which information corresponds between platforms, link fields like task name, due date, assignee, and status, so the right data appears in the right place on both sides. Finally, click Continue on the Launch Your Flow screen to activate your integration. Your Asana and Notion accounts are now connected with real-time, two-way synchronization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.